Hi there. This is a probability question here with milk and dark chocolates. 8 milk, 5 dark. It says after taking 2 chocolates, what's the probability that I have 1 milk, 1 dark? So we're going to start with a probability tree. And let's just first look at the possibilities here. Milk, 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 dark, dark milk, dark, dark. And add in the probabilities as we go. So there are 8 milks out of a total of 13, and there are 5 darks out of a total of 13. Once I've taken a milk, I lose 1. So that's going to become 7 from a total of 12. There are still 5 dark in that top branch. Looking at the bottom branch, I've taken a dark. So this one is 1 less. So that becomes 4 from 12. But the milk stays at 8 out of 12. And you can always check if there are any mistakes, because you should see that these add to 1, these add to 1, and these add to 1. Now, which are the 1 milk, 1 dark? Well, it's this one, and not these two. To get the probabilities, you need to, for example, for this possible route, you need to multiply as you go along. And for that route as well, I'm going to multiply. So looking at the top route first, I'm going to do 8 over 13 multiplied by 5 over 12. And then I'm going to add that to 5 over 13. I'm looking at the bottom route now, times 8 over 12. If I plug that into my calculator, 80 divided by 12 divided by 13, that gives me 0.513. So that's the answer to that question there. The second question is, what's the probability that I ate 2 of the same? Now, looking at that's the tree again. I've got milk, milk, and dark, dark, and not the 2 that I wanted earlier. So in fact, that's simply 1 minus the previous calculation. So watch out for those. That's sometimes a good shortcut.